Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Thank everyone. Today I am talking about my small story. This is an old story, but I am never forgetting about this story. In my office, I was a very poor employee. I cannot speak English. I cannot understand also English. I feel very shy. I cannot talk to my boss. I cannot talk to my teammates. I feel very sad every day. I think I am a failure. Some of my colleagues help me. They smile at me. They tell me, "Don't worry, you can learn." They teach me small English words. They teach me easy sentences. They talk with me slowly. They repeat the words many times. I listen to them carefully. I try to remember everything. I write the words in my notebook. I read the notebook every night. I practice the words again and again. Every day, I learn 1 or 2 new words. I feel very happy when I understand a new word. I practice English every day. I practice at home. I practice at work. I try to speak English with my friends. Sometimes I make mistakes. Sometimes I speak wrong sentences. Sometimes I forget the words. But my colleagues never laugh at me. They always correct me politely. They say, "Good try. Say it like this." They always help me with love. I never feel bad because they are very kind to me. Slowly, I start to understand English. Slowly, I start to speak English also. I feel very happy when I understand my manager's words. I feel proud when I answer in English. My confidence becomes strong. I smile more. I talk more. My boss also notices my improvement. My teammates feel happy for me. My work becomes easy. My life becomes better. I feel like a new person. Today, I can speak English better. I can talk in meetings. I can talk with customers also. I still practice English every day. I still learn new words every week. I am very thankful to my colleagues. I am very thankful to my office. They change my life. They make me strong. This story is very special for me. I always remember this story with love and happiness.